Hello everyone, and today we are going to learn how to select similar objects in Illustrator. So you can see that I have a couple of objects over here, shapes and circles and other squiggly lines over here, and we are going to learn basically how to select basically a couple of circles, maybe a couple of stars, so that we won't have to select them individually like this. For example, if I want to select all the circles which are yellow, so I'm not going to try to select all of them like this. So by the way, I downloaded this from FreePic. This is not my own, so this was just for educational purposes. Anyhow, I'm gonna let me close this. So there is this option in Illustrator which is called select. So if you come up over here, you can see it says select. So how does this work? So I'm gonna select this circle over here. Let's start with this, and let's just say I want to select all the circles. So I'm gonna come up over here, click on select, and then there is this option of same. So I can select based on fill and stroke, blending mode, appearance, fill color, opacity, anything I want. Okay, so we are going to basically select shape over here. So I want to select all the circles. I'm gonna click on this, and if I move this up, you will see that, sorry about this, let me do this again, shape. So you can see that I selected all the circles. How cool is this? Let me bring this back, press Ctrl or Command Z, and let's try with something else. Let's just say I want to select all the squiggly lines. I'm gonna click on this, then go to select, same. So there is obviously this is not a shape. These are just squiggly lines. So I can select them based on stroke weight or stroke color, or maybe fill color as well, and also fill and stroke. So let me click on this. So you can see that it selected a lot of things. So everything which had the same fill and stroke, you can see that the same color, we selected those. Easy. Let me come over here. Let's try with this star kind of thing. Go to select, click on same, and you can select based on opacity. Opacity of all of these is same. So let's select them based on stroke color. So if I click on this and move up, so it will select everything which has had the same stroke. Cool. Let's try over here. Let's just say I want to select everything which has this color. So I'm gonna click on select, same, and click on stroke color, and I'm gonna separate all of this. So basically this is a really handy option if you have a lot going on your canvas, and if you want to basically edit similar things. So let's just say I want to make all the yellow elements maybe blue in this image. So I'm gonna select just this, sorry, and click on select, same, and then click on stroke color. So these are all the objects which I have selected which are yellow. Then I'm gonna click on this, and let's make it red. So you can see that all of these are red now, and by the way, red looks so good over here because of the contrast. So yeah, basically this was pretty much it on how to select similar objects in Illustrator. To be honest, this is not very advanced, but this is something which a lot of people don't know about, so I thought we would cover it. So I hope you guys really like this class. See you guys in the next one.